In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup without having to reset your device. Now, a quick note before we start, it's important to know that you can't restore a full iCloud backup, which includes your apps and settings, without erasing your iPhone. However, if you primarily want to recover certain data types like contacts, photos, or notes, which are synced with iCloud, you can do so quite easily without a full reset. This method is perfect for when you need specific data without disturbing your current phone setup. Let's begin with the first step, turning on iCloud Sync for your essential data. Start by navigating to your iPhone's settings. Once you're there and at the very top of the menu, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Go ahead and tap on it to access your account settings. Within this menu, you'll find the iCloud option. This is where you can manage what data your phone syncs with iCloud. Next, if you haven't already done so, make sure iCloud Sync is enabled for the data types you wish to restore. You'll see various options here such as photos, messages, notes, calendars, and contacts. Simply toggle them on for the data you want to have synced with iCloud. This ensures that these data types will be automatically backed up and stored in iCloud. Now moving on to the second major step, which is letting your iPhone establish a seamless connection to your iCloud account to pull in the latest data. Once you've turned on syncing for the desired data, your iPhone will automatically start retrieving this information from iCloud. It's a behind the scenes process, so it might take a little time depending on the amount of data and your internet connection speed. It's essential to keep your iPhone connected to Wi-Fi throughout this process to ensure smooth and efficient data transfer. During this syncing process, if your iPhone prompts you to merge existing data, make sure to tap on the merge option. This step is crucial as it combines the data already present on your device with the data being retrieved from iCloud, ensuring that nothing is lost in the transition. And that's about it. You've now successfully restored your essential data from iCloud without resetting your iPhone. So to sum up, start by navigating to your settings, access your iCloud preferences, and turn on syncing for the data you want. Then let it sync and don't forget to merge if prompted. This method allows you to retrieve important information seamlessly and is especially handy if you just need specific data and prefer avoiding the complex task of a full device reset. We hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share this video with anyone who might find it useful.